Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Quiet Brit here. I sound a little bit weird because I am sick right now at the moment, but I really wanted to open this. It's been sitting in my house for like 3 or 4 days and I have not opened it yet because I wanted to do it on camera for you guys. So let's get in here. It's going to be a lot of paper theaters that I got from Ensky. I have somebody that I reach out to that orders them for me. And if you guys like the paper theaters, you can check them out on my Twitch channel. I do them on Saturdays, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I always do the paper theaters then. So let's get in here. Now I do want to do a disclaimer. I didn't buy all of these. About half of them are mine and half of them are my friend Ensky's. She wanted me to make her some. This is one of the ones she got. This is the Real Akuma one. I picked out this house moving castle one. I saw this come out and I had to have this. It is a Monster Hunter one with the Pelico and Palamute on it. This is another one that Ensky picked out. It's Cardcaptor Sakura. Another Monster Hunter one, which I thought was really neat. This is one that I definitely had to have. It's Howl, and it has like some holographic art in the back. So this one's going to be a lot of fun, and it's 3 diamonds, so it's not going to be too easy, but not too hard. Oh, she sent me an extra. She sent me some little tiny Miji eggs. Here's another one that Ensky picked out. My Hero Academia. This is one that I picked out for my husband. He loves Dragon Quest, and for the 35th anniversary they came out with a whole bunch. So I got this one, and it is a large one, so it's going to take a long time, and it is 5 diamonds, so I'm excited to do that. It'll probably take me 2 weeks. And here's another large one that I got, and it's another Dragon Quest one. 5 stars as well. This is one I've been waiting for as well. It's a Pokemon one that I picked out. It is a large one. Oh, good. 5 stars or 5 diamonds. So this is going to take a while. Another large house moving castle one. This one just came out at the end of the summer. Yubaba and Chihiro on it. This one is a 4 star or 4 diamond. But it looks very detailed and I'm excited to start creating. This is Ensky's. She picked out this Lapras one for me to make for her. This is one that I ordered for Ensky, so I'm gonna make this for her. It is a Sailor Moon Eternal with Usagi inside of it, and it's really cool how this works out. It's in a little globe, like a little sphere. Okay guys, this is something I just had to get. I saw the lady that I get these from post this on her Instagram. They did a collab with Cardcaptor Sakura and Sanrio. So each of these keychains has a different Sakura in her outfits with another Sanrio character. And there is one that is a mystery. I'm probably going to open this up on my channel. Let me know down in the comment section below if that's something you'd want to see. And I know for sure that I'm going to be splitting these in half with Ensky because we both love Cardcaptor Sakura. So I'm excited to open these up. And this is the last thing that I got from her. I saw her post this. It is a plate, but look how cute it is. Let me open it up so you guys can see. Look how cute this little plate is. I just had to have it because it has Eevee, Leafeon, and Glaceon on it. And if you guys know me, I love my evolutions. So probably won't be eating off of this. It's gonna be like decoration once I get my shelves up. And it's also Christmassy, so there's a little Christmas stocking there. I really love this. Oh, that's cute. She also gave me the bag that it came in. Oh, it's Fat Pikachu. I love the chunky Pikachu. I'll have to figure out how to like use this in my junk journal. I think this will look cute in my junk journal. What do you guys think? Okay guys, so that is everything that I got. I'm super excited to start working on these guys. Again, if you guys want to see that, wow, I'm saying guys a lot. But if you want to see it, check it out. 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Twitch. My Twitch is linked down below for you guys. Or you can just wait until summer when I slowly start uploading them back to YouTube as well. But you can watch them live there. Thanks again for watching, everybody. Let me know what is your favorite paper theater or a favorite item that I got in this haul today. Let me know down below what that is. Thanks for watching. Bye.